Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW with N20 or N26 engine. This could be BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, 1 Series, 2 Series, X3, X4, even X5 plug-in hybrid. If you want to see how to replace the turbo vacuum hoses, stay with us, we'll explain where you can buy them from at a good price, quick shipping, because those things could be expensive. We'll explain step by step in this video today for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays, engine and transmission problems. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 14 to 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. Those are videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please subscribe so we can keep making these free videos for you. So guys, the first step that we want to do, okay, we need to remove that cover here. You might have holders in the back, you need to pull them, okay, then that cover slides out, okay. So let me just make sure we have a vacuum hose right here guys, okay, that we'll need to disconnect so we can pull it out. We have another one on the other side there. Okay, so I'm going to inspect here and see which one it is. And then I will disconnect those quick. Okay, perfect. This one you can pull it as well. I'll show you a trick how to remove those, by the way. Let me pull that thing out. Okay, that thing needs to stay here for insulation purposes. But now these vacuum hoses guys, if you have them, how you do that? Okay, you press it in like this one, then you press here at the same time on each side, and you start pulling them out. If they're stuck to the outside and you try to pull them out, it doesn't work unless you push them all the way in at first. So that cover is out guys, okay, we don't need it here right now. What we're going to do, we're going to replace first that vacuum hose from here all the way, okay, it goes to right there. So we'll go ahead, grab this one and pull it out. Now we need to cut one that length and we'll continue. So we're going to get them side by side, we're going to position them here and cut it. Now it needs to be about this length right here. That's a really strong hose, it's for diesel and gasoline as well. Now we're going to get that one. It might be a little bit hard to push them in when they're new, okay, that's normal. But eventually, okay, they go in guys, okay. Just need to turn it a little bit too to make sure it doesn't come off. Okay, now we're going to get it through here. It usually stays, I believe that's the, let me see if it had a spot. I think it did, right there. And now it's gonna go through here and we're going to connect it on this side. Okay, all we have to do, just get this one in as well. Again, a little bit of a tight fit because they're brand new guys. Okay, then we can continue with the next one. So now that little one, it's always loose on this side, it causes a vacuum leak, so we're going to go ahead and replace it as well guys. So it needs to be about, okay, about this length right here. We're going to cut one piece and try to get it in. If you spit on it a little bit, it might help guys. So let's see now. Okay, it's almost there, but not quite yet. Okay, started going in, so we have to do, okay, insert it all the way, and then we should be able to continue, okay, putting it together. Okay, almost all the way in. So we even got the thermal shield for the other one, because that one is expensive if you buy it It's specifically made for that BMW. If you buy it, it's super expensive, guys. So let me just apply a little bit of slobbers here. And okay, and again we need to go ahead install it here now. I almost had it, but the thing is that the thermal shield messed me up. Okay, perfect. It's getting there, guys. Okay, all the way in now. So we're going to align everything. We're going to push it in, guys, now. Make sure everything goes correctly. If you install that foam piece, don't forget about it. Ours fell apart, so we'll skip it. We're going to connect the 2 vacuum hoses here. Okay. Make sure everything's locked in place, and that's it, guys. It's ready, as you can see, just like this one. So if you guys have a BMW with that engine N20 N26, that's how you replace that vacuum hose. Now, that's the one that usually will go bad. Another thing, guys, if you want to replace the other one from here all the way to the back of the cylinder head, it's just the same way. We'll put holes in the description of the video below. Some of them might be different, guys. Okay, different inner diameter, so you need to make sure you get the correct one. But that's how we do it. If you want to see more videos for absolutely free, about 15,000 videos on our YouTube channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs, check it out, guys. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. Thank you for watching. See you next time.